In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware type infection that is called Egfg. By the way, Egfg is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU large ransomware family. The ransomware samples, new ransomware samples from this family typically appear quite regularly, at least several new samples every week. This Egfg ransomware is called like that because it damages the files by encrypting them, and then after they get encrypted, the ransomware adds a special Egfg extension to the files. So before the ransomware actually attacks the files, you can open them, all sorts of files, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data pretty easily. Regretfully, this Egfg ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then very soon customers realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This is because the ransomware encrypts these files and adds a special Egfg extension to them. It might take some time, but eventually you may restart your computer or turn it on someday, and then suddenly realize that something bad has happened with your files and that you cannot use your data anymore. And these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You can clearly see that you cannot open the files anymore. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Egfg extension. Basically, this particular ransomware damages all the files that the customers store on their computers. The ransomware will tell the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration, which is 980 American dollars. Some people think that simply removing this Egfg additional extension would decrypt the file, but this doesn't work. What we recommend you to do is to immediately check your task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes that are running in the background, right-click on them and end their task in order to stop the further file encryption. We recommend you to remove this particular Egfg ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool such as Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching the system with its help. The application Combo Cleaner, by the way, is available both for Windows and for Mac computers, but this particular ransomware only targets Windows computers, and the site combocleaner.com automatically detects your operating system. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. But Combo Cleaner also works very well in terms of detecting and deleting other computer threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, and other infections. By the way, while the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to its feature called anti-ransomware. It is the part of the premium license, but it allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is over. Then at the end of the scanning you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know the exact locations of these threats, and we recommend that you upgrade to premium to remove all of them altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always safe and secure and protected.